Hello first grade mathematicians, and welcome back to your GoMath job for today. Today we're looking at lesson 1.3 in your GoMath workbook. Our target skill for today is I can use objects to show putting together. So yesterday we used cubes as our objects. Today we are going to use counters, boys and girls. And you have these at home if you'd like to cut them out. If you'd like to use a different type of counter, that's okay, as long as they are two different colors. Alrighty, boys and girls, as we go through this math lesson, I'd like for you to build the addition sentences and problems with me. So if you need to pause the video and go grab your counters, pause and go grab your counters so we can work together. Alright. We are going to be using these objects to show putting together. What's another name for putting together? It's addition, because we know that addition is taking two parts and putting them together, add them up, more is better. So let's get started on our examples. Before we do that though, we are going to take a look at our addition sentence. We practiced this yesterday. When you read an addition sentence, you have a part plus a second part is equal to the whole or the sum. So here in this example, we have 5 blue blocks plus 2 red blocks is equal to all the blocks together. So 7 blocks is the sum. So to read this addition sentence, we would say 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. All right, our next example. We are going to use our counters to build this math sentence. There are 4 red crayons and 3 yellow crayons. How many crayons are there? So first, let's build 4 red crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4 red crayons. That is our first part. So we are going to write our addition sentence. We have a blank addition sentence for us to fill in. So our first part is 4 red crayons. What comes next? Plus our next part, which we see is 1, 2, 3 red crayons. So you build it and then write it. What goes here is equal to how many crayons all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 crayons all together. So our addition sentence reads 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. All right, let's do the next example together. There are 6 small bugs and 2 big bugs. How many bugs are there? So my 2 parts are what here? We have 6 small bugs and 2 big bugs. We're going to take these 2 parts and add them together. So let's build it first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 small bugs. That's my first part. Plus 1, 2 big bugs. That's my second part. Equals how many all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bugs all together. So my addition sentence reads 6 plus 2 is equal equal to 8. All right, let's go to the next problem. This is a story problem, boys and girls, so you're going to have to help me find the math. All right. 2 red birds and 2 yellow birds are in a tree. So, 2 more birds come. The same number of red birds and yellow birds are in the tree. How many of each bird are in the tree? Phew, first graders, there are a lot of clues in this math problem. Let's work it out. 2 red birds and 2 yellow birds are in a tree. So let's build it. 2 red birds and 2 yellow birds are in a tree. 2 more birds come. So we know we're going to have 2 more birds come. The same number of red birds and yellow birds are in the tree. How many of each bird are in the tree? So we know 2 more birds are going to come get in the tree. So we need 2 more counters. But are they red birds or are they yellow birds? The story told us the same number of red birds and yellow birds are in the tree. So if I have 2 more birds coming and I make them both red birds, then how many red birds do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 red birds and 2 yellow birds. Is that the same? No, we want the same number of red birds and yellow birds. So I'm going to draw my counters, boys and girls, here. You can use your counters, but I'm going to draw. So I'm going to add 1 red bird to the tree and 1 yellow bird to the tree. I don't have a yellow marker, so I'll just make this circle. So if I added 2 more birds to the tree like the problem told me, so now I have 1, 2, 3 red birds and 1, 2, 3 yellow birds. Do I have the same amount of red and yellow birds? I do. So there are 3 red birds in the tree, and there are 3 yellow birds in the tree because we had to add 2 more birds to our tree. Alrighty, mathematicians, it's your turn to practice. Have fun!